Now that we've seen the basics of the blueprint editor at work, and even done some more complex scripting, let's now create a simple door blueprint that opens when we get near it. So I just want to start off by saying that I have deleted the table and chairs and statue that was in here, and I've replaced the window and window mesh with just to copy this door mesh with the same material as the previous mesh on it. So let's just create a new blueprint of an actor, based on an actor. We'll call it door. And so the first thing we want to do is we want to add our components. So we're going to go first a scene, because I always start off with a scene. Root. Then we want to add a static mesh of the frame. And you've got frame, and it'll be there if you have started with all the starter content. We'll add another static mesh. Call this door. Make it a child of the frame, and we will make it a door mesh. You can see that the access point of this mesh is actually on this left, and that's so you can easily rotate it. See, we're just going to put it at 45, so now it's perfectly centered, and obviously it will rotate around here, so it will rotate like a proper door will. And we're just going to add a collision box, and so this will allow us to allow us to know when the player walks near the door, so that we can then make it open. So I'll just center that and make it a good size for us to use. We'll just call it collision. File and save, and now we've got all of our components set up. Let's now go into Event Graph and just delete these things that are already here. And so the first thing we'll do is we're going to get collision, and we're going to go begin overlap, and we're going to go add on component begin overlap. So we want to have it selected again, and we want to go end overlap, and we're going to go component and overlap again. Now we want to just check if it is a type of player. So if it is a player, then we will do what we are going to do, and we're going to add a timeline like we have before, and we're going to call it open door. Now we're just going to plug play into the begin overlap and reverse into end overlap. Now we're just going to edit it. We're going to make it 0.75 seconds long, and add a float, call it pow. Put at time 0 we want a value of 0, and at time 0.75 we want a value of 1. As you can see, we just have a straight line there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use this to lerp between two rotations for the door. So we're just going to get it here and set relative rotation, and so we're just going to split the struct pin, and we're going to put yaw into here. When we want it to rotate between being closed with a value of 0 degrees to a value of 90 degrees, which will make it open. Now if we compile and save and go back to our map, and if we just drag our door in here and rotate it around there and make sure it's in the right position, then if we play it once we've saved it, walk over here, and we here you can see the door just opens, and so now we have a working door. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to learn more about UE4, then please join me next time.